Composting is a great way to turn food and yard waste into nutrient-rich soil for your garden. It is a simple and effective way to reduce waste, improve soil quality, save money, and help protect the environment. By giving composting a try, you can make a positive impact on your own life and the world around you. Here are some general steps for how to make a composter. Choose a container. You can use a wide variety of containers for composting, including plastic bins, wooden boxes, or wire mesh cages. Just make sure it has a lid to keep animals out and enough ventilation to allow oxygen in. Choose a location. Your composter should be placed in a location that is convenient for you to add materials and turn the compost. It should also be in a spot that is shaded and protected from the wind. Layer the materials. Start by adding a layer of small sticks or twigs to the bottom of the composter to aid in drainage and aeration. Then, add a layer of brown, carbon-rich materials like dried leaves, twigs, or shredded paper. On top of that, add a layer of green, nitrogen-rich materials like fruit and vegetable scraps, grass clippings, and coffee grounds. Repeat this layering process until the composter is full, making sure to water the materials as you go. Turn the compost. Every few days, use a pitchfork or shovel to turn the compost, mixing the materials together and adding more water if necessary. This will help speed up the composting process and ensure that all the materials break down evenly. Wait for the compost to mature. Composting can take anywhere from a few weeks to several months, depending on the materials you use and how often you turn the compost. Once the compost has turned into a dark, crumbly material that smells earthy, it's ready to use in your garden. Remember, composting is a natural process, so don't worry too much about getting it exactly right. Just keep adding materials and turning the compost, and you'll end up with a great source of nutrient-rich soil for your plants. Follow this channel to learn many more tips, tricks and life hacks. Good luck and see you in the next video.